Hello children, how are you? So welcome back, gravitation chapter. So in previous class we learned about gravitational field. Today we are going to learn gravitational potential difference, gravitational potential energy. How questions are going to come in a NEET exam, in KCET exam as well as JEE exam. We are going to discuss children. Look at here. First point, gravitational potential बोले तो it is the point in a gravitational field. Yes, so it is the negative work done on a mass to bring a body from one location to another location. Usually we are going to consider from infinity to given point. That's it. That is gravitational potential. Today we are not going to discuss in depth. Today we are going to solve numericals, children. Look at here. First one, the relation between gravitational potential and electric field. And this is the expression for gravitational potential. We are going to use these two formulas while solving the numericals. Next, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. इधर देखो भाई, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बोले तो ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड में वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर 2 पॉइंट्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट. ओके, पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट बी. पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट ए वी ए, पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट बी वी बी. एट पॉइंट ए वी आर हैविंग मास m. Okay, yes, so I wish to bring m from A to B. So what should I do? Yes, I must do work. So I am going to do the work. Yes, I am going to do the work. I am going to apply the force. It will displace little and it will come here. Getting or not getting, children? Yes, so what I did work. What I spent my energy. Getting what I am telling, children? Getting what I am telling? So this work done is what? Potential difference, gravitational potential difference. This is equation. Third point, coming to next point, gravitational potential energy. What is gravitational potential energy? Simple, children. So we are having one object at infinity. I wish to bring that object from infinity to given certain point. I should do what? Yes, we should do work. That work is stored as gravitational potential energy, children. Getting what I am telling? Very simple. Gravitational potential energy means it is the amount of work done to bring an object from infinity to given point. Basically, gravitational potential energy is a work. That work is stored as potential energy, gravitational potential energy. Getting what I am telling, children? Getting what I am telling? Yes, here negative sign indicates what, children? Very simple. Negative sign indicates we are doing the work against the gravitational field. Getting what I am telling? So I am going to clarify one small thing here, that is note number 5. I forgot to write note number 5. Relation between gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy. What kind of relation? We will discuss. इधर देखो, हमको पता है U is equal to minus gm m upon r. U is equal to, इधर देखो, minus gm upon r बोले तो V. So minus gm upon r, what we are going to write? Yes, I should write V. So V into m. So one of the important relation, the relation between U and V. Clear? Okay, so next we are going to solve numericals. Let us solve, children.